Guys, is this the end of the bull market? We just saw a massive 26% correction over the last 24 hours. And guys, I can already tell you, on the small time frames, it's looking bearish. On the big time frames, it's looking bearish. And we want to talk about not only what we have to expect from the Bitcoin price within the next couple hours, days, and weeks. I want to also talk about my trades because, as you know, I was still in around multi-million dollars worth of Bitcoin long positions, and we only closed our Femex trade at the all-time high 2 weeks ago. All the other trades stayed open, and you want to know what happened to them. How hard did I get wrecked, or did I maybe made some sort of a magic solution and kept these trades ongoing and open? I will tell you exactly. I will also tell you exactly when I'm going to open new trades, because this is one thing that is probably very interesting for you guys. But other than that, before we jump now right into the charts, I want to make sure that you smash up a like here on this video. Let's reach 1,500 likes. Leave a comment down below with your opinion on this chart analysis. And also don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Now, first of all, let's talk about what happened. So first of all, in my last video, I showed you guys that we have the potential of breaking to the upside, that we just need to get a retest more or less, right? That we need to correct to the downside one more time on the 4-hourly time frame, see a retest, break then the old high to the upside, and boom, we have a bullish scenario and the first real chance of reversing. And the first real chance of reversing, guys, I mean, I've been bearish since 2 weeks now in my videos. I'm always calling for this 50 to 53% correction. And now the first time actually where I'm calling that the bulls have a chance to start a reversal, and that it was the first real chance they had actually, they failed. The bulls failed to take the chance. We didn't close the next 4-hourly candle above here, the support and resistance. We broke below it instantly. We didn't see the retest. We didn't see the break above the alt high, where I would have, where I said in my video, I would scale up my long positions. All of this didn't happen. No. We corrected to the downside, we got again rejected here, and we corrected to the downside. I mentioned in my last video, okay, it is very possible that we are correcting to the $51,000 level. But what happened here is that I think most people didn't really take a look at the charts, and they didn't see that we have massive weekly support below us. Everything is actually still looking good with a drop down to $51,000. A lot of traders actually got panic. A lot of people got panic. Even though there was the best and perfect support level to reverse, a lot of people got panicked, started to sell off the price, and we saw a massive long squeeze like we love to see it with Bitcoin, all the way down to the $42,000 level. And for this, I was not prepared. I was prepared to 51,000. I was even prepared, as you remember from my last videos, I was prepared for a wick to $48,000. A wick, a quick wick here on the weekly time frame, maybe boop, wick down and an instant board up back again. But a wick all the way down to the $42,000 level, guys, nothing was able to prepare us here for this drop. And that's why my long positions also got closed. I got some, the Bybit trade, I had a stop loss and profit. The Binance trade, for example, got liquidated. There I didn't have a stop loss and profit, so there I lost 100K. On the Bybit trade, I lost 0.7 Bitcoin. My Femex trade, also no stop loss. Boom, again, $150,000 liquidated. So total margin loss of around $300,000 approximately, a little bit less, $320,000. The only good thing is, all the people that follow my channel, they know I had a big Femex long position open that was in between in a profit of almost $1 million. And this trade I closed actually at the very top, and there we got a good amount of profit out. And all the people that follow my videos know that I closed this trade with around $420,000 worth of profits. So overall, guys, the trades that we opened here at the $40,000 and at the $30,000 long level, at the $30,000 level, they didn't bring us a lot of profit, but at least they didn't bring us any loss, right? That's the most important thing here, because now I can take this margin or this money again and throw it into new trades. And the question is, when am I going to throw this money into new trades? And the question is relatively simple answered, because me personally, I'm just waiting for the weekly time frame now. I don't want to jump in any long positions into any long trades before we don't see a bullish weekly reversal. And this is for sure at the moment not the case. We just failed to bounce off our 8-year support and resistance channel, even though we had a good bullish weekly close. We failed to hold the upper EMA ribbons, which we normally hold in every bull run. As you can see, we normally only bounce off the top EMA ribbons in a really strong bull market. This also didn't happen. We actually, now I moved this here completely, we actually dumped below even our weekly EMA limits with a quick wick. We didn't even bounce off the weekly EMA limits, we wicked below it. So now looking at the past, when this has happened, we either take some sideways movement till we see the next run up, and also we still see lower lows. We wick below the weekly EMA limits with the following weeks. But also once we've seen this, sometimes it was already the end of the bull market. And this, I mean, it could be the case. It's not so unrealistic that we see now another big correction here down to maybe the end of the next year to $20,000, $30,000, then start reversing to the upside again. This could take a very, very long time now in the worst case. And this is why I don't want to jump in any long positions that then just maybe over the next 3 weeks just cost me funding fee. This doesn't make all too much sense, right? I mean, we are not expecting the Bitcoin price to now reverse within 1 day. It is possible, and then I for sure would jump into long positions. That's why I'm saying I'm keeping an eye on this weekly candle close. It's going to happen tomorrow evening. And if we're above the $51,000 level, I will be the first person that jumps into new low leveraged long positions. I will be the first one because this just works out most of the time trading the weekly time frame with low leverages. The only thing is that if we not manage to close above and pump above the $51,000 level till tomorrow evening, it's not looking good for Bitcoin. We are seeing all the bearish signs actually that there are. We are seeing a dump below trend support. We are forming a massive M pattern. We are failing multiple times to break above the 11-year resistance. The bulls lose their power. So we are correcting all the way inside of the weekly EMA limits or even below them. All signs that the market may not be ready to reverse anytime soon. And in this case, then we need to wait multiple days till we can expect a reversal. So far, it has been a 40% correction. This is actually a huge correction for Bitcoin. This we see in bull markets multiple times, but more than a 40% correction we normally don't see. So if we now actually see multiple weekly candles now afterwards closing lower and lower, then actually we need to think about the scenario that this bull run is over for now. But let's see. Let's wait what the Bitcoin price does. It has a lot of time to pump above the $51,000 level again. And then at the end of the day, it would just be a massive weekly wick to the downside to again eliminate everyone that is in over leveraged long positions or trades. So that's a scenario that we have seen in the past and that I definitely would expect for the Bitcoin price. So let's just wait how this weekly candle closes, and after that we can make a way more accurate prediction on what the Bitcoin price will do within the next couple of days and weeks. Now guys, smash up a like, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, and then we are going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye bye.